Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Springfield, Virginia, and I'd like to show you why this roof needs to be removed and replaced. Here you can see they have asphalt shingles on a low-pitched roof. This roof only has about a 1-inch pitch per foot, and you can see the homeowner hired somebody to do some repairs because they have a leak in this area here. And you can see they cemented all the keys and they cemented underneath the shingle tabs as well. But no matter how much cement you put on this roof, you're not going to stop the leak. The only way to stop this leak is this roof would have to be removed and replaced, and I would recommend a rolled roofing material such as EPDM. Now also you can see the granules are coming off the shingles, and this is a very old roof. Also, they have no ridge vent going across the top, so the roof is literally being baked from the inside out. So it's very important that we install a ridge vent if we install the new roof. So this way all the warm, moist air can rise to the highest point and go out into the atmosphere. Now also they have a missing shingle here, and that leak will drop down inside the attic directly below, but also the water can settle at the valley and also leak down to the exterior wall. I can see they don't use the satellite dish, so this would be removed and replaced. The plywood over here is all buckled, and the plywood is buckled in many different areas in the front. So yeah, this roof definitely needs to be removed and replaced. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in Springfield and all areas in Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.